A bullet of mass 0.01 kg and traveling at a speed of 500 meter per second strikes and passes horizontally through a block of mass 2 kg which is suspended by a string of length 5 meter. So we have a bullet of mass 0.01 kg moving with speed 500 meter per second, strikes a block of mass 2 kg hanging with the help of a string of length given to be 5 meter. The center of gravity of the block is found to raise by a vertical distance of 0.1 meter. So when the bullet hits the block, after coming out, the block height of the block increases by 0.1 meter. Now we need to find speed of the bullet after it emerges from the block. So we need to find speed of the bullet. So first, when the bullet passes through the block, let the velocity acquired by the block is u. And as with this velocity, with its kinetic energy, its potential energy increases as its height increases. So half mu square is equal to mgh, or u is equal to under root 2gh, that is equal to 2 into 10 into 0.1, that is equal to root 2 meter per second. This is the speed acquired by the block due to hitting of the bullet. Let us consider the bullet to be emerging out with a speed v. As in horizontal direction, there is no external force, so momentum will be conserved. So here from we can have equating initial momentum to equal to final momentum. So 500 into 0.01 is equal to 2u plus 0.01 into v. So here from we have v to be equal to 500 into 0.01 minus 2 into u by 0.01, or that is equal to 500 minus 200u. U we have already found to be root 2, so it is 500 minus 200 root 2, or it can be written as 100 into 5 minus 2 root 2, or 100 into 5 minus root 2 is nothing but 1.4, so 1.4 into 2, that is 2.8, or that is 100 into 2.2 meter per second, or 220 meter per second. So the bullet comes out of the block with a speed of 220 meter per second.